There are 7 amazing seeds that can bring down high blood pressure and clear out clogged arteries. Be answers to some of the most difficult diseases, like heart disease. There are different kinds of heart illnesses. Atherosclerosis is a disease that happens when fat builds up in the arteries. This makes it hard for blood to flow through the vessels. Blockages in the vessels can cause serious problems like strokes and heart attack. It can also affect your daily life in less obvious ways, like making you short of breath or giving your chest pains, tiredness, and feeling sick. An RD from the C clinic said that if it affects the blood vessels in your limbs, you may feel numb in your arms and feet, weak or cold. Seeds are good sources of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that come from plants. In the end, the healthy fats in these seeds will control the body's cholesterol levels. In this video, you'll learn about 7 seeds that lower high blood pressure and clear out clogged arteries. Before we get started, don't forget to keep an eye on number 2 because it's special. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the reminder bell, and make sure to watch the video until the end. Number 1. Chia seeds. One seed that seems too good to be true is the chia seed, which is full of all the good things. According to WebMD, they have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids like alpha-linoleic acid, fiber, protein, and vitamin. Chia seeds have an antioxidant called quercetin, which can lower the risk of heart disease. They also have a lot of fiber, which can help lower blood pressure and lower the risk of getting heart disease as a result. The small, round, black or white seeds are easy to eat and can be added to soups, salads, and even drinks. You can eat them raw or after soaking them in juice or water. Number 2. Flax seeds. Most brown or beige-colored seeds are linseeds, which are also called flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber at the same time. Flax seeds may help lower blood cholesterol. According to Houseline.com, in a 1-month study, people with peripheral artery disease who ate 4 tablespoons of 30 grams of milled flaxseed per day had 15% lower levels of LD, or bad cholesterol. They also contain alpha-linoleic acids, which are known to prevent high levels of cholesterol, and antioxidants with lignans, which lower your risk of atherosclerosis. You can eat flax seeds with homemade bread, crackers, salads, protein balls, yogurt, and almost any other food. A review by the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that the alpha-linoleic acid in flax seeds was linked to a lower risk of heart attacks and death from heart disease. So it's good that flax seeds are easy to find and add to your diet. Number 3. According to heart.org, pumpkin seeds are green, flat, and long. They have magnesium and iron in them, as well as vitamins and fiber. The high fiber content of pumpkin seeds is increased by eating them without their shells. Fiber is linked to a lower chance of heart disease and obesity. Whole roasted pumpkin seeds with their shells have about 5.2 grams of fiber per serving, while shelled seeds have only 1.8 grams. Heart.org says that pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, which is good for your heart. There's nothing better than a homemade pumpkin seed spread on your bread. Number 4. Sesame seeds. About 0.15 grams of saturated fat can be found in sesame seeds. Per 100 grams, there are 4.1 grams of polyunsaturated fat and 3.9 grams of monounsaturated fat. Research from Houseline shows that eating more polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats than saturated fats may help lower your cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Sesame seeds have enough polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats to lower your risk of developing heart disease. Sesame has a lot of selenium, which is a vitamin that makes people less likely to get chronic diseases. Sesame seeds also have lignans and phytosterols, which can help lower cholesterol levels even more. You can eat sesame seeds with your meals, tuna, chicken, and noodles from something extra. Try tahini made with hummus. Still, adding roasted sesame seeds to your diet for a few minutes won't hurt your body's nutritional value. Number 3. Sunflower seeds, like sunflower seeds, are known to have a lot of fiber, antioxidants, good fats, and vitamin E. This is according to WebMD. Heart health is helped by healthy fats like polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat. 14 grams of fat are in 34 cups of sunflower seeds. WebMD says that studies have linked eating seeds like sunflower seeds to a lower risk of heart disease, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. A study from the C Clinic says that the antioxidants in these seeds get rid of free radicals, which can make you more likely to get diabetes. Keep in mind that sodium can make you more likely to get high blood pressure, so plain or lightly salted seeds may be your best bet. Besides that, they are good for biscuits, oats, salads, and yogurt. So go ahead and make yourself a tasty snack. Number 5. Black cumin seeds. Black cumin seeds are one of the healthiest seeds you can eat. The seeds are used to treat cancer, diabetes, and even problems with the immune system. It can kill bacteria, insects, fungi, and viruses. A study on high blood pressure has shown that when added to food, the famous seeds can lower both total and LDL cholesterol, lowering high blood pressure as well as the growth of plaque and inflammation. A study on PubMed says that cumin seeds can reduce the amount of cholesterol in the body and lower blood pressure. This makes it less likely that plaque will build up and black pores. According to a study of the health benefits of black cumin on PubMed, you can eat 1 to 3 grams of black cumin seed powder every day for up to a year. Number 6. The seeds of celery. According to a review on hemp, eating seeds has the same or even more health benefits than eating fruits and vegetables. For thousands of years, Eastern medicine has used celery seeds to treat flu and bronchitis. Today, the seeds are mostly used as spices and contain nutrients like magnesium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, and manganese. Magnesium has the ability to lower blood pressure in a way that could help prevent heart disease. Polyphenols, which are found in celery seeds, have been linked to a lower risk of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Celery powder can be used as a spice for soups or grilled meat, and it can also add flavor to salads. However, pregnant women shouldn't eat celery seeds. By the way, you should talk to a health professional about what's good for you. This goes for any of the seeds we've talked about. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.